It's kind of hard to see the sheer number of fry that are starting to hatch in this batch. This is week 6 after the first batch of fry. You can see them here. It's only been a couple days since my last post showing how big these guys already are. I'm going to try to start seeing if I can tell if they're a guy or girl, and start moving them into the main tank. I think I'm just going to leave the set that's in there and just let them do their thing. But this one batch there is the most I've ever seen. You can see kind of the size of them, but there's just I don't know, maybe 500-600, and I know that that's not a whole lot. I've seen folks online that have upwards of 1,000 or 1,200, but this is by far the most. This is more fish in that little batch there than I've got in the whole system, and I've got close to 200 now. There is another set that has not hatched, that's just all eggs. It's hard to be still and get that to focus. Plus they're bouncing, but there's some that are already matured. The lighter colored ones are still okay, some are still okay, but the dark ones are ones that are already starting to form on the side of the egg. But this is that second group. It's just a whole bunch. I just put a gel pack in there and they're feeding on it. These are all about an inch to inch and a half. There's over 65 in there. Anyways, I did get my net pots in and a new air pump, and I want to start constructing a raft system to go over here. I'm going to be getting in a couple different species of duckweed in, and between that and this raft system, it's going to be full of plants. I've got to build the light, aquarium lights to go up there. These are about ready to transplant into those net pots. That's what I was trying to time, so that this front tray is all lettuce. Back there's a bunch of different things I've started to transplant those in. The only thing I couldn't get to really sprout up was spinach, so I am trying my hand at getting them sprouted first before planting. Quick little run through update on what's going on. I still have this red cell that's still alive, but it's pretty sad looking. This tomato plant, sorry for the light, but the tomato plant has shot up. It's right up past the light. Looks like it's going to start budding out soon. The banana pepper, sweet banana pepper, we took the pepper that was on it off, and it's kind of went downhill since. But cinnamon basil's gone crazy. It's gone up past the light also, and I raised the lights on all of them except for this one. I dropped it down. This is where I'm going to plant a handful of stuff that I started in seeds. This is some cilantro that I bought that I haven't yet fully transferred in. The just regular sweet basil is doing well. Okra's still growing. This is a tomato, 2 different tomato plants. I think that's a cilantro that's actually going. Strawberries are alive. Jalapeno is still alive. I did buy some additional plants today. Is a couple of different types of peppers, another tomato. I thought, what I understood was that the tomatoes might not do well because of different nutrients that wouldn't be in the system, but that one's taken off, so I'm going to see if I can get a different type of, this is a Roma tomato, and then what was this one? A different type of sweet bell pepper. So anyways, I had to take the eggs out of one of the fish in here, or 2 different fish, and anyways, everybody's doing well as it can be. I got a comment in one of the videos asking about how these overflows worked, and I'll try to do a video just over that design. A guy named, his channel Cichlid Man 09, kind of copied and modified his design. This is a lower flow tank, and so I could do something similar to his. This 55 gallon, I've more than quadrupled what he had design wise and added some different things to it, but the basic design of it is the same. But I'll do a video over those this next week. But there's my update. Big pile of Teatani fry that are starting to hatch in there. So next couple of weeks these will be just crazy number of fish. I'm gonna have to start consolidating, and I know I've got a bunch of these little breeder nets, but I've got to start moving those around. These are almost big enough that I can move into the other tank. I'm gonna do a big big domino of moving one thing after another to get them all situated. But anyways, there's week 6 update. If you're following me on Facebook or YouTube, go ahead and subscribe if you have a YouTube channel or a YouTube account. And I'm trying to drive that traffic up. So anyways, thanks for watching.